Ratio and proportion are everywhere your child looks. They live in recipes, in mixing a drink, in reading a map. Yet in Year 8, they trip so many students up because a few small ideas all hide behind that little colon. Sort out 5 of them, and the whole topic starts to make sense. Here is where it goes wrong. Ask a tired student to share 12 sweets in the ratio 1:3, and they often guess or scale the wrong way and land on the wrong number. The reliable fix is the unitary method. Add the parts to get 4. Find one part by dividing 12 by 4, which is 3. Then 3 goes to one share and 9 to the other. So here is the method that works every single time. Step 1. Add the numbers in the ratio to find the total parts. Step 2. Divide the amount by that total to find what one part is worth. Step 3. Multiply one part by each side of the ratio. Step 4. Add your shares back up and check they return to the amount you started with. Professor Pi never just gives that final number. He climbs a hint ladder instead, so your child does the last step themselves. And ratio is not just a maths trick. Mentors sits at the center of the whole faculty, so the same skill shows up wherever it belongs. Scaling a recipe in cooking, mixing a solution in chemistry, reading a map scale in geography. One idea taught once, then connected across every subject, so your child sees why it matters far beyond the worksheet. But before any of this, mentor checks the energy. Green means slept well and ready, so push into trickier 3-part shares. Amber means tired, so keep it to one clean worked example tonight. Red means real pressure, so it is rest and the ratio practice can wait. A calm mind solves these far faster than a frazzled one. It does not replace a great maths teacher, and it never will. But for the small ideas that quietly trip a child up, like sharing in a ratio, it can be the patient guide that waits while they get there. We are now inviting our first 100 founding member families. Learn more at aitutors.me.